Hey, can you name some of today's trendiest veggies? If kale and cauliflower comes to mind, you're spot on. Today, I'm going to show you a few of my favorite varieties and share with you some mouth-watering ways to prepare them. These days, the produce department is full of color, and that includes these. They're called carnival cauliflower, and they naturally grow just like this. As we all know, the more color in our veggies, the better they are for us. When it comes to kale, there are so many varieties. This is Salad Savoy, and it's as tasty and tender as it is pretty to look at. If you're searching for kale that'll stand up to soups and stews, let me introduce you to something called Tasty Tuscany. Plus, it's hearty enough to throw on the grill, and boy, is it good. For those of you who love kale and Brussels sprouts, then you have to try these. Lollipop kale sprouts. These little guys are perfect for sautéing, roasting, or even pickling. And to show you just how versatile kale can be, I've got a recipe for an unexpected treat. These may look and taste like traditional fudgy brownies, but our little secret is that they're packed with finely chopped kale. So not only do you get all the yumminess, but you get all the health benefits too. To get the recipe for our surprise brownies, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found some colorful, tasty, and nutritious ways for you to say, ooh, it's so good.